So how many of you focus on elder care?
Elder care.
Yeah.
Me, Joy, and AJ, we brought it down.
Elder care.
NTC,
Blossom.
and Pastor Riz.
Oh,
What's the
interesting.
big one?
So how many of you specialize on children?
Children.
Children. Three children. Equal to one adult. Children also. Newborn. So you're like a companion lady. Wow. So you have to take up the mother also. Take up the newborn. Wow. Wow. So you have to wake up like 3 a.m. Wow. 2 weeks. Now 9 years old. From 2 weeks. Oh, but you look so young. Yeah. 9 years old. Oh. Maybe you sleep a lot with the baby, so you don't really young. Wow. So now 9 years old. So going to school already.
I changed employer after almost 9 years old. Now I changed to the Dutch family. I don't really take care of them. Because they're 8 years old and 11.
Ah.